Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutada, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist and laser specialist. I am also a medical legal consultant and I am an editor of 3 newspaper. In today's video module of law and medicine, we will be talking on the laws and the laws related to the doctor-patient relationship. So basically, the basic two laws in India are the civil law and criminal law. Civil law is for every individual to has the right, and for that right is to be protected in civil law. And in criminal law, in order to protect the community, the government has the right to punish the wrongdoer, and this punishment by government for the wrongdoer comes under the criminal law. Though criminal law and police are usually not involved in doctor-patient relationship unless there is a gross rashness or negligence resulting either in death or serious injury. Some of the common sections of Indian Penal Code IPC which are applicable to doctor include. So we'll be talking on some of the common sections of Indian Penal Code which are in adjoint to the doctors. So we'll be dealing with a section 52 and section 92. This section 52 and section 92 is related to good faith. These are some sections which are applicable to doctors. Section 52 and section 92 must be known to all doctors, and this section is related to good faith. Section 87 to section 91 of Indian Penal Code are related to consent. How the consent to be taken by doctor has to take the OPD consent, in IPD consent, and what is the format of the consent, and related to all this consent issues, the section 87 to section 97. Section 304A. Section 304A is related to death of patient due to negligent act. So these are the sections which are related to doctor, and this all sections all doctors must know all the sections. Section 312, 316. Section 312, 316 are related to causing abortions or miscarriages without proper consent. Section 319 to section 322. Section 319 to section 322 read with 336 section 337, 338 deals with the causing grievous hurt or disfigurement enduring the life. These are the sections. Section 319 to 322, section 336, section 337, section 338. All these sections are dealing with the grievous injury. This helps in the medical legal problems. Section 340 to section 342. Section 340 to section 342 are related to wrongful confinement of patient in hospital. Section 383. Section 383 and section 384 related to extortion. Section 405. Section 405 and section 406, this is related to the criminal breach of trust. Section 499 and section 500. Section 499 and section 500, which is related to defamation. These are some important sections related to doctors, and all doctors must know all these sections as they are related to them. Some sections are related to faith, some sections are related to consent, some sections are related to death, some to negligent, some to the grievous injury, some to the confinement of the hospital, of the patient in hospital, some to the extortions. And along with this, there are some specific laws which all doctors must know in their practice. These laws includes the Clinical Establishment Act, Medical Counseling Regulation and Act, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, PCPNDT Act, Bio-Waste Medical Waste Rules, Labor Laws, Shop Act, Establishment Act, Income Tax Act and Professional Tax Act. These are the sections, and these are some specific laws or acts all doctors must know. This is all about this section of law and medicine. Thank you.